Now, one important thing to note is that this glaze is much thicker than what I'm going to want in the end. And that's it. You don't want to have it too thin throughout the beginning stages of this process because it's much harder to thicken up than it is to thin down. So now that I've gotten all of the glaze out of my first bucket and put it through the sieve, I've put a little bit of water in this bucket so that I can clean off the edges and get any remaining bits of material that might be in this bucket and get them into my sieve and into my other bucket. Now, there's also a lot of material on the sieve itself, so I'm going to use just a pitcher of water and clean this off. And again, only use as much water as you need because until we get to the stage where we're thinning the glaze down on purpose, you don't want to thin it down too much. You can see there's a little bit still around the edges, so I'll get that out of there. So now the entire bucket has been sieved, and I'm ready to mix it up and test the hydrometer setting on it.